This online course is taught by International Tutor Galina Kofod. Galina has been teaching courses around the world for over 7 years and always uses her overflowing creativity to design something new every time. In this video tutorial, Galina will teach you how to make a stylish King Protea. You don't need a full set of flower making tools to make this amazing King Protea. Galina designed this flower so that you only need one flower making tool, a Japanese iron. In full detail, she will explain to you how to work with this universal knife and assemble your creation. In this video tutorial, she will show you all the stages of creating leather flowers, the dyeing technique, how to apply a stiffener, working with tools. Particular attention will be paid to assembling the creation. From this video tutorial, you will learn not only how to make a leather flower itself, but Galina will introduce you to her innovative technique of finishing a leather stem with leaves. This technique allows you to add many leaves very securely in different positions. It really speeds up the process of assembling leather flowers. Assembling your flower this way, you will have a perfectly finished accessory very quickly. As a special bonus, when you buy this video lesson, you will receive a fully illustrated PDF tutorial to deepen your understanding. Wear this King Protea as a brooch or maybe even as a headpiece. Either way, the realistic beauty of this flower is made to shine. You will be able to make your own stunning leather King Protea by purchasing this video tutorial on Galina's website or on her Etsy shop. Happy flower making!